Turmeric benefits you should know. My surprising experience with 1 daily cup. I started feeling joint stiffness and low energy. I tried different remedies, but nothing worked. Then I researched trusted sources like WHO, Mayo Clinic, and NE. I discovered that turmeric's active compound, curcumin, supports inflammation control and overall health. This video shares my honest journey with humor, practical tips, and science. Curcumin helps regulate inflammation and supports joint comfort. Studies in the Journal of Medicinal Food show it improves mobility when consumed regularly. I started adding 1 cup of turmeric tea daily. After a few weeks, I noticed reduced stiffness and more energy. Turmeric also supports antioxidant activity. NE research highlights that antioxidants help protect cells from stress. I combine turmeric with a pinch of black pepper to enhance absorption. Small daily doses provided noticeable improvements. Effects vary depending on age, health, and diet. Consult a doctor before starting new supplements or herbal remedies. Practical ways I added turmeric safely. Brew 1 cup of turmeric tea daily with fresh or powdered turmeric. Add black pepper to increase absorption. Combine with warm water or milk for taste. Use in cooking for extra benefits without overdoing it. Track energy, joint comfort, and digestion. Possible side effects are mild and may include stomach upset if overconsumed. Start gradually and listen to your body. Tracking my progress helped me see improvements in energy and joint flexibility. Journaling daily allowed me to notice small but meaningful changes. This journey showed me that small science-backed habits create real results. Turmeric works best when combined with balanced diet, consistency, and patience. Your body responds to mindful, gradual changes. Like and share if this helped. Start 1 cup today and feel the difference.